baba na
Seven.
nakahabol. Yes, that was at 7 points. Pero ang UB talagang nakuha na nila yung kanilang momentum. At hindi mo na, mahirap mo nang patigilin ang UB pag ganong sitwasyon. Even some of their big men, Cathedral, also helped. No? Evan Arellano, malaki rin ang naitulong niya sa loob, especially in the rebounding department. Although hindi sila nakaka-score, yung kanilang pag-rebound, offensive rebound, defensive rebound, malaki ng tulong para sa UB Cardinals to level this series.
And of course, yung hinahanap nating outside shot nila o mga shooters nila, napaka-timing kasamang Bert. Lahat ng mga basket, kung hindi naman nila kailangan yung tres, hindi sila bumibitaw. But again, yung maliliit nila, ang dami ring naitulong sa mga penetration. Unlike on the first game nga na nabanggit natin na they try to gain basket from the outside pero hindi nakuha nila.
Si Orduña talagang tumulong. No? Yung kanyang mga penetrations. Although itong si Elefante, talagang hindi. So, napili nila itong SLU Gym na paglaruan ng game number 3.
And again, Payas answer box with 2 using the
Rin
base.
natin dyan kanina. And of course, Sir Danny Soria. Of course, andyan si Coach Tony De La Serna of SLU. And a lot more visitors who are here right now. Yung si Jaguars. So, pag nakita nila yung kanilang former coach. But of course, andyan si Coach Basto who will be manning the, who will be calling the shots for the Cardinals. Olarbal. Over to Villanueva. And Villanueva off the glass. Well, that is his patented shot. No? 5-point lead for the Jaguars. At nakagawan si Ligores. Garcia against Basan. Garcia! Oh! And it's an early 5-point lead for, or rather 7-point lead for the UC Jaguars.
Uralbal. But dito sa second and third, talagang naubusan na yata. Garcia pulls. All net pa rin para kay Garcia.
That will be a long two for Garcia. So ito, ganito 5 minutes remaining in this first period. And another steal.
Oh, third time. Less than 1 minute. Tatlong steal.
It's now a 15-point lead.
Pang-apat na.
Pang-apat na sunod.
Oh.
And Olarbal, a nice trap to Dail. Oh!
So, tingnan natin kung
now Orduña inside to Ilegores. Ilegores, maagawan. At Ilegores, matatawagan ng foul. So, madadagdagan pa dito yung kalamangan ng Jaguars. At malapitan yung tira niya, hindi nga lang pumasok. Payas against Basan. Over to Villanueva against Galicia. Villanueva, oh! Nagulat itong si Galicia.
pahinga para kay Bilibli. Garcia for 3.
Hindi pumasok. 4 seconds remaining. Garcia pa rin. He will be the passer. Yes! And at the end of the first period, mga kaibigan, we have a 10-point lead for the defending champions against the UB Cardinals, 22-12. We'll pause for a break. We'll be right back. Of the UB Cardinals, binalik si Garcia at saka si Villanueva. Tignan natin, Villanueva. Walang instant points coming from Villanueva this time, pero Valdez is there for the putback. Itong nauna, Garcia. Villanueva fakes. Dain. Ang ikot niya, Dain. Pumasok. And the lead is back to 5 points. 26-21. Garcia. Over to Valdez. Villanueva. Villanueva labas kay Valdez or rather kay Garcia. They have 10 in the shot clock. Garcia for 3. Whoa! Okay, sagutan dito ng run. Walang mapasahan. Natapik ang bola mula kay Cathedral. Here comes the white shirts. Payas. Sidestepping move. Bull fake. Hindi pumasok. Offensive rebound. Magandang tapik yun. Nidahin kay Olarbal.
Pataon para makagawa sila ng basket.
Under 2 minutes remaining in this first half. Garcia double team. Inside to Dain. Hindi pumasok. And they barely beat the shot clock. Villanueva. Oh, nice passing. 3 for the UC Jaguars. Garcia to Villanueva to lead. As we see Garcia against Orduña. Labas niya kay Villanueva. Villanueva against Ligores. Nalusutan. At madali ang tira doon ni Villanueva. For the Cardinals, signan natin okasyon. Oh! Tapal ang inabot. And Payas, easy 2 points. 37-24.
Baguio College of Technology and of course, University of Baguio. I think enrollment na sa mga school na ito para sa second semester. Balik tayo sa action. Ito na yung hinahanap natin na player para sa UC Jaguars. Itong si Hural Bal. At tingnan natin kung ano talaga ang nangyari dito kay Bilibli.
And Dain going to the basket. Merong foul na tinawag. Pa rin kanina napansin natin dun sa ating second period. Dalawang sunod na 3-point. Assist division, lamang ang UC 5-2 in the first half. Sa rebound division, out-rebounded na naman sila. So covering the passing lanes and anticipating the passes of the UB Cardinals. Kaya ngayon lamang sila ng siyam 41-32 and they have the leader with 6 and 45 remaining in this third period. And Villanueva, hindi pumasok ang third drop shot. Ang kanyang putback wala pa rin at Dain.
Ito, may kasamang shortener.
Payas, fakes for 3. Decides to go inside. Hindi pumasok. Offensive rebound. Villanueva, blankang-blanka ng dalawang malalaking mama ng UB. But Villanueva refuses to quit. And he made another 2 points.
Sabi niya, ayaw mo pumasok dyan. Labas ako ng kote.
Over to Dain. Payas, open for 3. Gustong tumira, double team. Cross court now to Villanueva. Garcia. Sumalaksak. Reverse layup. At pumasok. At isa ang kalamangan ng UC Jaguars, mga kaibigan. Isang dosena. Garcia. Over to Villanueva. Outside to Payas. Now Garcia. Labas niya kay Ularbal. Ularbal for 3. Pumasok pa. The first 3 quarters of this ball game, mga kaibigan. Magandang finish for the UB Cardinals towards the end of this third period. Ano? So foul was called against Basan. Now Garcia. Payas for 3. Short. Offensive rebound Villanueva. Oh, tapay ang inabot kay Basan and nadaganan itong si Villanueva nadaganan ni Villanueva itong si Elefante. Pag-mapop na kayo okasyon for 3, short. Offensive rebound, tignan natin. And the UC Jaguars winning the rebound. Garcia. Hularbal. Lumayap, yes! Against Bilibli. Inunaan talaga ni Hularbal si Bilibli bago pa man makaset-up ng magandang depensa against Orduña. Hularbal against Ocasyon. Hularbal. Bagsak niya kay Tumanan. Hindi pumasok. Oh! Nobody's boxing out Villanueva in that situation. Walang nag-box out.
Yung offensive rebound and of course rebounding din. Defensive rebound.
Oh! Tumanan! Coming from the baseline in this quarter alone. So the lead is just 4 points, 58-54. Dain outside to Tumanan. Villanueva. Kanyang patentot na tira. Pumasok na naman.
Kahit si Villanueva nagugulat na doon sa kanyang itinitira ba? Mangan ng UC Jaguars.
And another turnover. Garcia. Oh!
Pero isang magandang play pa rin ang kailangan nila dito. Mahaba pa yan kasamang 3 minutes. Lalo na may mga outside shot nga itong.
However, itong si Garcia, he has something in mind. Gusto niyang i-preserve ang finals except for Orduña. With 2 and 40 remaining, 64-56 ang ating score. Hularbal, libre na naman. Oh!
And again, lucky bounce. for Hularbal.
So ito na, they have to give up a foul to stop the clock from running. Hularbal. So wala pang foul na ibibigay. Tignan natin. At Villanueva. That could be. Yes. At meron pang kunting natitira. Tignan natin. We'll see. Wala pang foul na ibinibigay. Garcia. Sidestepping mo at pumasok. Well, wala na. Parang binibigay na dito ng UP Cardinals ng ating ball game. We are just waiting for the final buzzer. And the pandemonium is here at the SLU Gymnasium. The UC Jaguars is about to retain the title. They have won last year against the same team. So, mga kaibigan, ang ating final score, 70-62. The UC Jaguars winning it again for the second consecutive time. Ang 26 season basketball, men's basketball. Okay, so kasamang Chris. So mamaya makakausap natin si Coach Heinz Hakdong for some chat. So once again, the UC Jaguars made it 2 in a row against the UP Cardinals in the last 2 years of the men's basketball here in the BBL season. So ito nga, it's a sweet victory kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina. To win a title is a difficult one, but then to defend it is it's more difficult. Mas mahirap ang mag-defend ng title. Yung dalawang beses na nagkampiyon na yung si Jaguars. Ito po si Coach Heinz Hakdong. So magandang hapon, Coach Heinz. This is a sweet victory, considering na ikaw yung assistant coach last year. Hindi inaasahan ng lahat na you will be able to defend the title this year. So ano masasabi mo, Coach?
Sabi ko lang, nag-focus lang kami sa depensa, lalo na sa mga veterano ko, tapos go hard lahat sa nag-go hard kami sa basket. Kung pwede sana, i-rotate lahat yung bola. Yan na po.
Okay, so Coach Heinz, doon sa inyong first game, napansin namin, talagang maganda ang inyong nilaro. Pero yung ating second game kahapon, what really happened? What was the adjustment?
Parang di namin na-break yung pick and roll nila. Doon kami nadali sa pick and roll. Tapos ngayong game, nag-adjust kami sa depensa, tapos yung first 5 ko, pina-adjust ko.
Okay, so once again, Coach Heinz, ito lang masabi ko, kung hindi ko alam kung ito rin ang nararamdaman mo, it's very difficult to win a finals o championship. Now, anong mas mahirap? Yung manalo ng finals o yung i-defend ang title?
Andun na lahat, yung i-defend at saka manalo sa final. Parehas din yun.
Okay, so once again, Coach Heinz Hakdong, congratulations, and baka meron kang gustong batiin at pasalamatan because of this finals.
Salamatan ko yung lahat ng organizer ng BBL at tapos suporta ng mga taga-suporta ng mga UC. Thank you po.
Okay, so once again, Coach Heinz, congratulations, and we hope more titles to come. Okay, ito rin ang isa sa mga player ng UC Jaguars, mas matangkad sa akin. Ito po si Chad Villanueva. So magandang hapon, Chad.
Magandang hapon din po. Nagpapasalamat kami sa mga sumuporta sa amin, tsaka sa mga naniniwala na back to back.
Okay, yun nga, maraming nagsasabi na yung panalo nyo daw last year ay chamba. So anong masasabi mo? How can you address those critics who have been saying those comments against your team?
Alam po namin kasi na champion yung defending champion po kasi yung UB, kaya sinasabi po nila na champa nung last year, kaya itong last year na po nag-practice po kami ng gusto, tsaka pinagandahan po namin talaga ito para mapatunayan na hindi chambang at saka walang chamba, lahat pinaghirapan.
Okay, so congratulations, Richard. So meron kong gusto mga batiin.
Sige lang po. Thank you sa lahat.
Okay, so yan po yung ating ito rin duguan na player ng UC Jaguars. Itong siguro ang alam ko lang talaga ang kanyang first name, second name, ang kanyang family name si Dahil. Anong first name mo?
Jobson Dahil po.
Okay, Jobson Dahil. So anong nangyari? Ba't ganun ang laro mo? Pagkalaro mo ang UB?
Para tiwala din sa isa't isa sa amin. Tapos nakapokus lang kami, kaya ipanalo namin yung game. Tapos siyempre napapasalamat kami sa mga fans namin dyan. Yan, tulong-tulong lang po sa loob ng court.
Okay, so congratulations, Japson. So yan po ang kupunan ng UC Jaguars as they were able to retain the title. They won last year against the UB Cardinals. So hanggang dito na lang po ang ating coverage, mga kaibigan. It has been nice to be with you covering the finals of this 26 season of BBL. So once again, maraming salamat po.